In a world moving toward carbon neutrality, commercial and special purpose vehicles are still behind, heavy, loud, and fueled by diesel. But electrifying them is no small challenge. At GnT, we developed the electric core of heavy mobility. In collaboration with REFU Drive, our power electronics, including high-voltage inverters and onboard chargers, are designed specifically for trucks, buses, and terminal tractors, and more. Our traction inverters deliver up to 320 kVA of reliable power, even in extreme conditions. With IP67-rated durability, advanced motor compatibility, and scalable charging solutions, GnT empowers mobility that works harder, lasts longer, and runs cleaner. At the heart of mobility lies GnT's 22-kilowatt onboard charger, a customized core solution for heavy electric vehicles, the GnT 22 kilowatt OBC, delivering 22 kilowatts of powerful speed with flexible, tailored design, setting a new standard for the future of large-scale EVs. From Europe to Asia and beyond, GnT is building the backbone of electric mobility. Through global partnerships and system-level customization, we are driving the electrification of the world's toughest vehicles. Heavy-duty, high-performance, fully electric. GnT, powering the future of mobility. Let's build it together.